Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the duplicate value and remove them. So let's begin. I already have a dummy Excel sheet. So I'll find if it has a duplicate value. So I'm select all the values, then from the home menu go to conditional formatting, highlight cells and rules, duplicate values. Now I see all the duplicate values in red color. Now I'm going to remove all the duplicated values. So go to data menu and here is a option remove duplicate. Simply click on it and select all and click OK. Duplicated numbers are removed. Now I can make sure if it is removed. Go to home, then again go to conditional formatting and duplicate values. I see no duplicated values over there. If you find this video helpful, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.